Hey guys, James here with J-Car Diecast. We're going to do an unboxing today of the IDC case, the 2021 IDC case. Got the box code here, the FXB02-998C. C signifies the third mix of 2021 here. So we're going to take a look at this and give you a little preview of what it is here. So we're going to get right into cracking this open. We do have these available on our website for sale at jcardiecast.com. While supplies last. Let's see what we got here. These are 16 count cases. Next year later this year possibly, they're gonna roll into doing these carded from now on. But as of now, this will be the third year they've done these. They're doing them in the box. So the first one I happen to pull out here is the Nissan Skyline HKS, and it's got the number 87 on it. Super Oil is the GTR BNR 34. Oh, there you go. Kind of give you a look at it here, guys. So pretty sweet, some pretty sweet graphics and different specs on it and stuff like that. And you can only see the top of the car in these. So I think the new packaging, you might be able to see a little bit more. And as you guys remember on these ID cars, these have chips in them. They run down on a nice little track that Mattel has made for these cars. They run through this track and you're able to track them on the computer and play a video game. So at any rate, this HKS Skyline is gonna be a hot one. It's really popular, guys. The second one we're gonna take a look at is the Stingrod 2, the Stingrod 2. So this is an old school Hot Wheels casting here, guys. Old school Hot Wheels casting for those of you that are kind of new into collecting and stuff. This casting has been around for a long time. Again, there you go, showing you the box. I got the chip again. I won't show this every time, but just show you how they show the chip. It's used to play the game and use it on the track, so that where you can scan in your car and whatnot. So Stingrod 2. Let's see, what do we got next here? And like I said, there are repeats in here. For the third one, I'm going to show you guys. There's actually 6 different ones in here. This is the Supercharged, and this one has high voltage racing. As the little graphics on the side there, the livery is high voltage racing. So you got a supercharged, you kind of got a funny car here, right? The funny car. So let me pop the box there, give you a little look at it there. So there you go. We're gonna keep going here. We're gonna have a few Skylines in here. Another Stingrod. Let's see what we got. Another supercharged. The next one, we got the Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile. For all of you Batman guys out there, guys and gals that are into Batman, I know there's a lot of you guys into Batman. So there we go. I know you guys will enjoy this new Batmobile here. So take a look there on the inside. They've been doing some interesting colors on these. So this one actually is a bluish color there. The windshield and the different around the wheels and stuff. That's pretty cool, guys. So let's keep going. We've got another Batmobile in there, in the case, same one. The next one, and I know this one's been highly sought after, is the Bugatti Chiron, And this is pretty close to the first blue mainline they did last year. The color is, but you know, as all these IDs are, you're gonna have the SpectraFlame paint, guys, the SpectraFlame paint. And then you got the wheels that are fast for the track, the ID wheels. So, and again, we'll have the chip. And this Bugatti is going to be popular, guys. This Bugatti and the Skyline, those are going to be hot items. There's actually 3 of the Bugattis in the case. So for all you guys that are looking, there's 4 of the Skylines. The next one we're going to look at is the Subaru BRZ in the with the Grady livery. The Subaru BRZ with the Grady livery. This is another hot casting that guys are really into, guys and gals alike. Really into the JDM scene there. That Subaru BRZ is really nice, guys. There's actually 3 of these in the case as well. So, you know, this is going to be a real good look, guys. This case is just really solid, guys. It's got 3 of the Bugattis, 3 of the Subaru BRZs, 4 of the Skylines. You've got 2 of the Arkham Asylum Batmobiles. You've got 2 of the Supercharged and 2 of the Stingrods. So, you know, for a 16 count case, this case is really stacked, guys. You should definitely check it out. Like I said, again, if you want to purchase one of these, we do have them available at jcardiecast.com. We'll be shipping them here in the next few days. We get our stuff out really quick. I appreciate everybody watching. It was enjoyable to do this video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give us a like and a thumbs up at the bottom, and give us a follow as well. Thanks, guys.